I know I don't do a good job of showing it, but I love you.
It's just a stimulation.
Why does it feel so true? Did you mean what you said? You had a crush on me? I should have told you. I don't know why I didn't. Lizzie Salton and we were in love. Real love. Epic love that even exists.
What happened?
When I let my guard down, people disappoint me.
No, it's fine. Don't worry about me. Wanna help?
Pass.
Just drop the act.
Let me tell you how honest your girl is.
I know everything.
I saw a chance to make Lizzie suffer, and
What?
I swear I would never do that.
You do not get to be the martyr. That was my job.
I'm not mad. I couldn't care less.
Screw this. This whole time I thought I was better, but I have just been seeing things.
Every time I'm with someone, the voice in my head tells me it's your fault. You should give Lizzie a second chance.
I love you. I love you too. I can't live like this anymore. I can't stay.
If you believe that, then why haven't we left?
Lizzie! I was awful to you. I'm so sorry.
One condition. No more secrets. I'm doing everything I can to get better.
And I love that you're always trying to be